Hello friends, this is Manuraj from Agraj Tutorials in Nainital.
Today I'll be solving problem 1.1 of IRODOV. The problem goes like this, that there is a motorboat that is going downstream. It overcomes a raft at some point A. After traveling for 60 minutes, it turns and meets the same raft at point B, which is 6 kilometers from A. So now what are we asked that what is the flow velocity if the engine duty is constant? Now the solution to solve this, let's say this is a river. This is our river. On this river, there is some point A. This is the or point A around here. At this point A, there is some raft. Now raft is just it is just a plank of wood. It is just floating on the water. If you observe some point, if we are standing on this raft and we observe some point ahead of us, like an article that is flowing with us, so because we have the same velocity or same speed, so we don't have any relative motion, so it will appear just like it is not moving at all to the person who is standing on the this raft. So the flow velocity is, as I said, as Vf. Now at this point A, some boat is crossing this raft. So I'll just draw this boat here. Now how has he put the question? He has asked the question that and he has said that engine duty is constant. Now what does that mean? Now engine duty is constant means if the water is not flowing, then the raft has a very fixed velocity, and that velocity, let's say, is capital V. Now if we are just observing the boat from this raft, so because we are moving in the flow, we don't have any relative motion with respect to the water. So we are just, with respect to water, we are just fixed at one place. Now with respect to the water, this boat is moving, and I told you that with respect to water means the water is fixed. So water is fixed and the boat is moving with the velocity, this velocity V. We are flowing with the water, so we are fixed, like just like a fixed point. We are observing this boat, so this will have a fixed velocity. Now this whole story is to conclude that the time taken for the boat, if we are observing the boat from this raft, the time taken for the boat for the motion when it is leaving us, going far away from us, will be same as the time taken for it to reach us back from the point where it is returning. So because it has traveled 60 minutes downstream, it will take 60 minutes only to reach us back. Okay, now we are talking of the flow. On this raft we are moving, so we are having the flow velocity Vf with respect to the fixed ground. Okay, so in this 120 minutes we will go 2 into sorry, this is 1, this is 1, 2 is this, okay, sorry, 2 is this, 2 into 60 is 1 hour, okay, 1 hour into 2, 1 hour 2 is 120 minutes, into flow velocity. This much the this raft would have gone in 2 hours. So the raft has reached point B after just 2 hours, and this distance is given as 6 kilometers. So this is equal to 6. So the velocity of flow would be 3 kilometers per hour. Now this is a complete solution. Thanks.